So, what is up guys? Good day! Day, another vlog. I'm Raymark Sisistoso, and today we are going to the historical site here in Pikit, North Cotabato. So join with me! Guys, we are here at Pikit Municipal Hall, Pikit, North Cotabato. Pikit was the oldest settlement ever founded in Cotabato Province, the landmark which eventually became the town's namesake. Fort Pikit was established in 1893 by the Spaniards who have by then just recently conquered what is now the province of Cotabato from the Sultanate of Maguindanao. The name Pikit was given to the place by the Spaniards. It was formerly called by the natives Malasikit because it was situated within the shadows of hills situated to each other. The fort was built to consolidate their hold in the region. Stay tuned. So we're about to go to the historical site. So this is the way we're going to the historical site. So as you can see, there's a swimming pool. We're heading to the historical site, to the area. So as you can see guys, there's a mini pool full of dirt and contaminated water. This area is abandoned many years ago. So that's why so as you can see, dito paakyat yung Bahay Kastila. Ito yung daan. Hindi pa po siya pwede, as of now, sad to say na hindi pa siya pwede puntahan because of the notice to the public. The local government unit of Pikit hereby temporarily restricts the utilization of the Bahay Kastila or Spanish fort by virtue of our preparation to the National Commission for Culture and the Arts NCCA visit. Restriction includes entering the premise, engaging activities inside and visiting purpose. So guys, sad to say, you cannot enter the historical site as of now. So, but I can put some pictures and images to the video so that you can watch the site or the Bahay Kastila, the video. Of now, as I will explain the significance and the importance of the historical site. But as of now, you cannot enter the Bahay Kastila because as you can see, hindi pa siya fully tapos yung mga buildings and whatsoever. This is the ito yung baba ng historical site, which is the Bahay Castilla. Ito yung baba. So this pool, actually this pool is matagal na. Like before, sabi nila malinis pa daw to. Hindi pa ganito kadumi. And marami pang pumupunta ng mga turista before. But ngayon, abandon na. And wala nang nagmamanage. So, ganito na siya ngayon. But the nature is good. Very calming. And there's the tower of the Pikit. Sayang lang hindi tayo makapunta doon sa historical site mismo because of the renovation of the area. So, as of now, pero ilalagay ko na lang sa video yung mga images niya para naman makita. So, for you to see the site, which is the Bahay Castilla or the Spanish fort. Okay. Later I will explain the background and the historical site, the Bahay Castilla, and I will include some of facts and about this historical site, which is the Bahay Castilla, right on the top. Okay. So this is the Bahay Castilla before. So quick introduction lang about the Bahay Castilla. So built in 1893 of stone masonry as part of the series of military fortification in Mindanao by the Spanish colonial government. It was used by the American colonial government in 1902 and in 1912 and 1945. It was occupied by the Japanese Imperial Army and recovered by the American forces their advancement to the liberate Eastern Mindanao during the World War II. The National Historical Commission of the Philippines had declared Fort Pikit as a National Historical Landmark in March 2012. And this is the Bahay Castilla now. So as you can see, it is located at Fort Pikit, right behind the Municipal Hall of Pikit. So this map shows the location of the Bahay Castilla. That's it for today. See you on my next vlog. Bye bye.